This is the outfit that I went for today. Then went to work, the weather was shining and it was a beautiful morning. Worked for 8 hours and then came straight back home. When I arrived it was Asr time, so went to the mosque and prayed Asr. Today I had boxing class, so after the prayer went to the gym and joined the boxing class. After the class I wasn't feeling tired, so I trained more by myself. By now I was so hungry, so went to the store and bought some eggs to cook. On my way home I saw the boys were playing and it was a sunny day, so I played with them for a while. Then took a cold shower and cooked this delicious meal. And lastly, don't ever forget to smile. Bye!